Today we're driving into something that's straight out of a sci-fi movie, a supersonic jet that has no pilot, no runway. ShieldAI has unveiled the X-Bat, a revolutionary autonomous aircraft that combines vtOL, vertical takeoff and landing, with advanced AI, redefining what's possible in air combat. The X-Bat is a new class of military drone capable of supersonic speeds and vertical takeoff. Its AI, called Hivemind, allows it to make complex tactical decisions completely independent, making it cheaper, more survivable, and vastly more flexible than traditional manned fighter jets. This isn't just a new plane. It's a fundamental shift towards affordable mass in military air power. Scary. Skynet is here. What do you think about this, John?
Yeah, this is crazy. So this is a Hivemind AI system. So the core of XBAT, it's the Hivemind system, and it underwent extensive validation through real-world testing on the X-62A Vista, which is a modified F-16, and that engaged in autonomous air combat trials against manned aircraft. So, not surprisingly, though, the AI system used reinforced learning, where agents undergo continuous training, completing millions of dogfighting simulations per day through an evolving opponent league system that pits the best performing AI agents against increasingly capable adversaries. I would love to see what that system looks like. That would be super cool. But so during their demonstration, the Secretary of Air Force, Frank Kendall, flew in the front seat while the AI executed within visual range combat maneuvers with human safety pilot in the back seat who never had to intervene. So what that means is the AI demonstrated superior reaction times, noting that the best pilot you're ever going to find is going to take a few tenths of a second to do something, while AI can react much faster. That scares the crap out of me. It reminds me, I know I brought it up last time we talked about a fire, but that stealth movie with Jamie Foxx, I think it was. But
yeah, and we've also talked about that infrared laser technology that they have now that actually scans what's going on with the pilot in the cockpit, but also all the micro stresses of the jets, and can know within milliseconds the maneuver you're going to do ahead of time. And so taking the pilot out of that situation leaves a lot less for them to interpret, because you're going to be making those decisions and turning much faster. But definitely, this is an incredible piece of technology. It's a stealthy, pilotless fighter jet that can take off and land straight up and down, just like a helicopter. But it's small, cheaper, autonomous. It flies and fights on its own. It's designed to fly alongside human-piloted planes as a loyal wingman or go on dangerous solo missions. So it eliminates the need for vulnerable and expensive and fixed runway infrastructure. Traditional jets need massive airfields, which are easy targets for an enemy. So I imagine you can pack more of these on an aircraft carrier, as an example. VTOL lets you launch from anywhere, a small ship, a remote island, or even improvised landing pad. So I think this will allow for a more guerrilla-type deployment of these things, where you can't really see them till last minute. They rise up and do whatever they're going to do. The Hivemind AI pilot is a breakthrough. It allows the jet operate fully autonomously, making real-time tactical decisions and continuing its mission, even if GPS or communications are jammed, which is impossible for most current drones.
Yeah. So the U.S. is pretty far ahead of a lot of other countries. Like I know Russia, they had their first flight on October 31st, 2025 of this year. South Korea, their maiden flight is scheduled for 2026. So here's the thing is the AI competition is going to essentially determine who's the winner in the next battlefield, in my opinion.
It's absolutely true. And we talked about a bunch of this, when they did, I can't remember what the operation was called, the Ukraine drone strike back on Russia, where they launched thousands of drones. And North Korea has cardboard-based drones now. This stuff is really great and cool from a technology point of view, and gives a certain superiority. But I wonder how long till the same types of things are implemented in these cardboard-based drones? Instead of costing millions of dollars, you can do these for a few hundred or a few thousand, and off you go. And, you know, how do you compete? How does a jet compete with literally thousands of cardboard drones flying at it?
Exactly.
So, I don't know. It's a scary world when you think military, that's for sure.
It is, yeah. There's so much unlimited potential here, and there's going to be different paths that different people take. It's going to be crazy to see.
Yeah, as modern warfare often involves sophisticated electronic warfare capabilities that disrupt traditional aircraft systems and disrupt GPS, the XBAT autonomous systems are specifically designed to overcome these, including can operate without GPS navigation, relying instead on advanced inertial navigation systems and visual recognition capabilities. So this is pretty cool. So it kind of knows where it's going, knows how fast it's going, has some maps on the back of its mind and says, I know where I am. Let's do this.
Yeah.
It's extremely difficult for adversaries to disable or misdirect the aircraft. So communication independence is another crucial capability. XBAT can coordinate with other aircraft and ground forces when communications are available. It doesn't require constant contact to complete its missions effectively. So yeah, this is definitely that movie.
Yeah, stealth. Yeah.
So it's amazing technology. You know, it's affordable, or more affordable than historically these have been from a fighter point of view. It doesn't involve, you know, the death of humans, at least in the aircraft.
Yeah.
The military is aiming for production costs of $27 million per unit. You know, somebody says cheap, but that's a fraction of a crude fighter jet like the 100 plus million F-35.
Yeah, that's nuts.
So 27 million only? That's cheap. What are you talking about? So
no.
This is really cool. We'd love to hear your feedback on this, because it's, you know, incredible. I mean, I'm going through all the stuff here, and there's so much information about these things, and everyone check out the article or go check out XBAT, Google it, and definitely take a look, because this is an amazing sounding technology. It's an amazing piece of technology. So Take a look. Let us know what you think. Are AI fighter jets the future? Is Skynet inevitable at this point? Are we all doomed, or is this something, just another piece of really cool tech? Let us know what you think. Yeah. What do you got going on, John?
Yeah, just gearing up. Is this coming out in December?
Yeah, December, might even be January now, actually.
Okay, gearing up for the holidays or gearing down from the holidays. So planning out my next few months and, ramping up for shred season. How about you, Craig?
Well, we're wrapping up 2025 and planning 2026. So this is probably too late for the Start Investor Drinks and Flowgrammer events in December, but take a look for them in January. There's always stuff going on. Check out torontostarts.com for our startup and business related events and resources, and check out flowgrammer.ca for our business and AI automation information if you're looking for that. And if you're a builder in Toronto and you want to join the Flowgrammer Builders Club, head over to flowgrammers.ca. That website is live now. Go check it out. Join us. And at our live events, we do online stuff. We do live office hours every week. Go over there and sign up. There's downloaded workflows and tools you can test and play with. So check all that stuff out. But John, if people are looking for non-dilutive funding, where do they go?
Yeah, come find me on LinkedIn. I've got a link. You can book some time with me or send me a message so that we can have a conversation first. But find me on LinkedIn, John Irwin, no H. But if you need help with your business overall with your startup, how do they get in touch with you, Craig?
Head over to startupcoach.ca or torontostarts.com and just book a call with me and get a discovery call, find out what's going on and get you motivated. If you're not interested in that, come out to one of our events, talk to other founders and whatnot, and just talk to people. It really is, knowing that you're not alone can motivate you a lot. But other than that, give us a call or book a meeting over at torontostarts.com. And thanks everyone for listening or watching, and hope to talk to you again soon.